This is the Infinity Knockdown Kit by Camauto. Fully customizable. You can tailor it to any length that you prefer. This striking head is also nice for blending. You can buy individual lengths as needed, 5/16 standard thread, so it'll fit all of your favorite tips. It comes with a 3 centimeter extension, a 2 centimeter extension, a medium radius blend knockdown tip, a stainless steel tight radius domed blending tip, an aluminum soft radius mushroom blending tip, a bullnose radius blend knockdown push tip, a BB push tip, a medium radius push blend knockdown tip, and a tight radius push tip. It comes with a super surface polished tip, a big radius polished mushroom tip, and a UFO knockdown polished tip. All in one kit or individual for purchase. That's the Infinity Knockdown Kit by Camauto. Check out just a few of the variations between the extensions and tips with our Infinity Knockdown Kit. You really can't go wrong with our new Infinity Knockdown Kit.